Do you need to get hard inquiries removed off your credit report? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get credit inquiries removed off your credit report within 24 hours. Step 1, call the credit bureaus and ask to be transferred to the fraud department. Step 2, verify, hey, is this the fraud department? If not, can you transfer me to the fraud department? Step 3, once you verify that you are in the right department, hi, I have an unauthorized and unknown inquiry listed on my credit report that I need deleted immediately. I don't recommend that you dispute more than 2 to 3 inquiries at a time. Now, this works extremely well with Experian, Equifax, and sometimes TransUnion. What happens when they tell you no? Hang up, call back, and repeat. My name's Nicole Scott. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks on building credit, business credit, and building wealth.